JT with WTI here, and today we are talking about the Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids Edition tablet. What the Kids Edition comes with not only is the case, but also a 2-year anything goes warranty. So basically, if your kid throws this tablet across the room and it smashes the screen, you can get it replaced for free. Obviously, that's not recommended, but it's nice to know that that's an option. If it gets wet, or any other thing that can really happen to it that would make it inoperable, Amazon will send a replacement free of charge. That alone makes this valuable for any parents out there. The other nice bonus that comes with the Kids Edition is Amazon Kids Plus. Amazon Kids Plus is a subscription service that gives you access to a lot of different content that you would have to pay for one way or another, but it's included in Amazon Kids Plus. My kids have found tons of content that they're super happy with. Another feature of Amazon Kids Plus is the parent dashboard. And really, this is where it just puts the icing on the cake for any parent out there. You can start with just setting an age limit for the content that your kids are able to watch. But if Amazon's recommended age content is not good enough for you, they still give you even more control, being able to individually remove titles or subjects or terms that you are not comfortable with your children having access to at their age, and you can limit it. So really, it's as strict as you want it to be or as lenient as you want it to be, depending on your parenting style. But really, that control, that flexibility is what I really like about Amazon Kids Plus, because it's how I want to parent, not how a company wants to determine how my kid should be parented. If you're looking for a tablet for your young child, whether it be a toddler or a 10-year-old, I think the Fire HD 8 Kids Edition tablet is an excellent choice for parents and a great choice for kids. And that's my point of view.